Top 5 Jamaican herbal teas and their purpose. The world is finally waking up to the wonders of herbal remedies, but they have been steeped in Jamaican tradition for generations. Many Jamaicans got their first taste of bush tea when they were only a few months old, as community elders swear by the healing effects of various plants and herbs. This video takes a look at the top 5 bush teas that nearly every Jamaican had to ingest. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. And if it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel and click the notification icon so you never miss an update. Number 1. Peppermint. Mint tea is very popular in Jamaica and is consumed by many as a regular breakfast accompaniment. Peppermint is just one variety of mint growing throughout the country. It is used to treat a number of minor ailments, from upset stomach to headache, vomiting, or a general feeling of nausea. Number 2. Cerissa. An extremely bitter drink, Cerissa tea is believed to cure bellyache and calm the intestines. Once you get past the unpleasant taste, it is widely thought to be a blood purifier, encouraging the removal of toxic substances from the body. Cerissa is also said to have some effect on the control of diabetes and for persons at risk of high blood pressure. Number 3. Surah Sapa leaf. Tea made from the leaf of the Surah Sapa tree is highly recommended to treat insomnia or problems with the nervous system. It is believed to be a calming agent, lowering the blood pressure and reducing anxiety. Number 4. Dandelion. Dandelion tea is used mainly as a diuretic to flush excess water from the body and stimulate the bowels. It is also thought to have some effects for people suffering from rheumatism. Number 5. Fever grass. Known in other parts of the world as lemongrass, fever grass is a popular bush tea with a very pleasant taste. The name fever grass refers to its ability to quickly reduce fevers. It is also consumed by people with stomach and urinary problems and may also be helpful to treat gum ailments. Although drinking bush tea is a popular tradition, health professionals advise that ingesting it too often and in large quantities can cause irreversible damage to the liver. Users should also research the properties of these plants and herbs to be aware of the possible interaction with prescribed medication. Thank you for joining me again, guys. I really do hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button. And I want to say thanks to you all for subscribing to Elite Jamaica and helping Elite Jamaica grow to where it is today. Please continue to share these videos so others will see what beautiful country Jamaica really is. Thank you. I'm Alex. Bless.